In this video, I'll show you how to connect Eero to Frontier router. So you can use Eero with a Frontier communication router to improve the Wi-Fi coverage, speed, mesh networking. So first of all, you'd like to connect the main Eero to the router or to the Frontier router. You can use an Ethernet cable and connect one end to the Frontier router LAN port or LAN port and connect the other end to the main Eero or WAN/internet port. And you can leave the Frontier modem/router powered on. So it should look something like that as example. So one cable as example, you'll have to connect to one end to the Frontier router from the Eero and one to the internet ports. And of course, both should be powered on. Then you'll have to go and install your Eero app. So once you install the Eero app, you'll have to basically to go through the setup. You'll have to set up your Eero device. Of course, before they'll ask you to create an account, create it very fast. And inside the app, you can tap on set up Eero network. Follow the setup instructions. They are very easy. Nothing to help you here. And the app normally automatically detects the internet connection. Once you finish the setup, you'll be asked, or you can go and create an example to create your Wi-Fi network. You can choose the Wi-Fi name or SSID and then the Wi-Fi password. Devices will connect to the Eero network afterwards, not your router. And of course, additionally, if you want, you can also add additional Eero units or Eero units. If you have multiple Eeros, you can place them around the house and add them throughout the app, and this will create the some mesh system if you want that. And this is just optional. You can, of course, put your router in bridge mode in the settings, and this can help you, as example, avoid double NAT, Wi-Fi conflicts, and also device issues. So you can enable the bridge mode or disable Frontier Wi-Fi manually. Of course, it's not required, but it's helpful to avoid the conflicts between the two, or just maybe new people, visitors to your house or something like that with multiple Wi-Fis or something like that. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.